Hello everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and today I'm on here with what to put in my toddler's Easter basket. So as you see, I have 3 Easter baskets here. I have two for my twin girls, and I have one for my niece. And as you can see, I'm gonna let you see the baskets up close. This basket is in one of my shopping hauls from Belts. I purchased this from Belts. And as you can see, it says that the basket is polyester blend, if you can see inside. And it's a very thick, like cotton or polyester. And it's a beautiful basket. It has a little bunny rabbit on the front. And as you see, the price was $9.99. But after all my coupons and everything in the sale at Belts, I got all 3 of these for $4 each. They were $4 each. So I thought that was a great buy for this type of basket. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this basket. Okay, so what I have right here, I went to Hobby Lobby as well as 5 and Below and purchased some items to fill the basket. But first, I'm going to put some Easter grass. As you see, I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, and they were regular price 99¢, but I purchased them for 59¢. They were on sale. So I'm just going to open the grass. The Easter grass, and I'm just gonna put it on the inside of the basket. And I always just fluff mine out just to give it a little more height as I put the items into the basket. Okay, as you see, I gave it a little more height. And this first basket will be one of my twins' baskets. And I bought different items for her. I bought an Easter tic-tac-toe game, and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. I think it was 50% off. It was 50 or 60% off. So I'm just going to slide that right in her basket here. About right there. Also, they love lip gloss. So I bought these Peep lip gloss, and it's a yellow, look like a yellow egg. And I'm going to slide this in here also. Just going to put it there. Okay, next I purchased some unicorn magical bubbles. They love bubbles. This came from Hobby Lobby also, and the color is purple. So the twin basket that I'm putting this in, she's the purple girl. She loves purple. So I'm just gonna slide that right here. And what I'm putting in here is, you know, a lot of times people put a lot of candy and everything in Easter baskets because it's Easter. But I'm not going to put a whole lot of candy in there. So I am just going to add a few pieces of candy. But I think they would like toys a little bit more. Okay. So now I have one of these 12-pack of jumbo crayons. And they have plenty of coloring books, so they can use this for it. As you can see, the original price was $1.99, but they were 50 or 60% off at Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to kind of place that toward the back of her basket. All right. And we purchased some of these. My husband's the one that picked these out. These are the, I've already opened them, but it's the summer glows for hours. Little light up bulbs. I guess they're like butterflies or something like that. They were on sale also. So I'm going to just place that right down in her basket. I'm gonna let her put that together. All right. Also, we have some of these little, I guess they're called little rings or something, and they light up also. So I will be placing those in her basket right here. Next, we purchased some little LED fingers, and we purchased these from 5 and Below. I think the other one came from 5 and Below also. And this is how it looks. It's just a little thing, and it has a little like a little rubber band on the back, and you place it on your finger and it lights up. So I'm just gonna place that in her basket. All right, so next what I have for her is this beautiful book bag purse. And the original price on it, as you see, was $25. And again, I purchased this from Belts. After all the discounts and everything, It was a little under $6, right at $7 and some change with tax. And they love the rainbow colors and the unicorn. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place this into the Easter basket also. I was going to give it to them separate, but I think this will fill the Easter basket up a little better and give them a little bit more, some more things in their basket. Okay. All right, so this is how one basket looks. And as you see, I've put the lip gloss, the game, the bubbles, the crayons in the back, and the purse, the unicorn purse is right here. And the little, I think I said lip gloss is in the front. So this is how it looks. And I will come back on here when I'm finished with the other two. All right, so I'm finished with the Easter baskets, as you can see, and they are full. I'm going to show you, start right here with my twin. She loves purple, so I put the bubbles here, the tic-tac-toe game, some crayons, the little peak lip gloss, and just some of the other items down there at the bottom. It went down to the bottom. And as you can see, the beautiful unicorn purse is on the back side. And when she picks it up, she can pick it up to show her beautiful bunny rabbit on the front. Okay. All right, the second Easter basket is for my other twin. No, I'm sorry. Okay, this is for my niece. She has the blue bubbles with the, I got her a Trolls play pack that I got from Five and Below. She has the lip gloss as well as the little finger thing. She also has the tic-tac-toe game, which is shaped like a carrot. And I also purchased her one of the beautiful unicorn purses also. And as you can see, when she picks hers up, it shows the beautiful Easter bunny on the front also. Okay. And the last one is my other twin. She loves pink. So she has the pink tic-tac-toe bunny rabbit, the pink, the bubbles, as well as the pink Peeps lip gloss. And I put that in there for her. And also she has the beautiful unicorn purse in the back also. In the same way with her, when she picks hers up, it will show the Easter bunny. So this is just another alternative for, instead of putting a lot of candy in the Easter baskets, we're going to have an Easter party on Saturday where all the kids will be able to get candy and also eggs. And we're just going to have a nice fun day. So stay tuned. This is part 1. I have another part 2 coming up, is what to put in your teens Easter basket, or if not an Easter basket, maybe a Easter bag, which is like a purse, a book bag purse. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and just let me know what you plan on doing about when it comes to Easter, either with your grandkids, your kids. If you have teenagers, what are you planning on giving your teenagers for Easter? And I'm also planning to do a Easter for my husband. And I know I'm not going to give him an Easter basket, but I have an idea on what I want to do with him. And I'm going to also put a video out about that. So you all have a great night. Enjoy your day and be blessed. Bye.